Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So on today's episode, powered by Roosevelt, because that's who I am, we're going to make a drink called the Tipperary, right? This drink incorporates Irish whiskey. So if you're looking for a cocktail that uses Irish whiskey because you got some and you're tired of making picklebacks or whatever else you use for it, this is the drink for you, right? So it's kind of like a riff of a Bijou, which I've done before. So if you go back in time and look at my old videos, you will see a Bijou, which uses American whiskey. So now we're going to go with some Irish whiskey. All right, so let's get started. First things first, we need 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey. Next, we're going to go with 1 ounce of some Green Chartreuse. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. And last, we're going to go 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Add our ice. Give it a nice swirl. Go with a coupe glass. So there you have it, Tipperary. It's nice, real nice. You get chartreuse, the whiskey, right? The sweet vermouth, it shines. You can taste it. I think the bitters just ties it all together. It's a really nice drink. Good flavor. I like it. Especially use Irish whiskey, right? It's something else I can use Irish whiskey for. But anyway, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.